how to delete Instagram account. So let's get started. First thing first, simply open your Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be navigated to the settings in privacy. Now tap on the account on the top or account center on the top, and after that simply tap on the personal details option available there. After you tap on the personal details, you will get to see the account ownership option available there. Simply tap on it again at the bottom, and after you tap on it, you will be navigated to the deactivation or deletion page on your screen. Simply continue with the process by tapping on it. Then tap on your profile icon again. Now tap on the delete account option available there and continue with the process. You can see there are two options, deactivate and delete. Make sure to tap on the delete in order to delete your Instagram account. Then Instagram will ask you or give you a list of options while you are deleting it. Tap on it and continue. Again, continue with the process. Now all you have to do is enter your Instagram password and your account will be deleted successfully. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.